Hey y'all, I'm out here with the 97 Dodge Dakota. It has a broken fan shroud. See this? Totally busted. We are getting ready to fix this puppy. We are going to weld the plastic, alright? So first thing I'm going to do, this may not be advisable, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to soften this plastic a little bit, make the joint, and we use the soldering iron to repair this crack. Okay, so here we go. Enough until we come back here. And the soldering iron will actually, give you my glasses. Maybe we'll start out here, Matt. Put it in the crack. Normally you would work from both sides. We're not going to be able to work from the other side. So going here fuses this plastic together. We're making a little valley, and we're going to come back and actually like weld it with some other plastic that will melt into this groove. Alright, it's already better. 1 second. I use these, zip ties like a welding rod. We melt the zip tie right into the crack. Alright, did you get the idea? We'll take a time out and we'll show you the finished project in a minute. Alright, we finished the crack repair. Come on in, you can see this was completely cracked and separated, as you remember, and we welded it up with a soldering iron and some zip ties. You can see it's not super beautiful, but it's very strong, so if you want to smooth it out, just take the soldering iron like this. But it is super strong joint. Fan shroud repaired. Alright, take care.